So that's why the flavor is awesome. You can't find this flavor anywhere. We always give you the best. It's time again from the Surfing Lizard. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook 72 hours mom chicken pho. Okay, and pretty much this the stock, the broth. Been cooking for 71 hours, 59 minutes. So we're gonna cook this here for another 1 minute. Ready to serve. You see this one here is all the flavor inside. So what inside? Sorry, we can't tell you. But you see this fatty here? This is not oil, okay? This is the fat from the bone marrow. The bone marrow is the most expensive bone. If you go to a French restaurant, they chop the bone marrow in half, they reel it, they bake it, and they serve you on a plate, $27, so just half of the bone. But we use 3/3 of the bone, fill up all the way to this much, and then we fill up the water. So we use a lot of bone marrow. So that's why the flavor is awesome. You can't find this flavor anywhere, trust me. So we know what we're cooking. We always give you the best. Here you go. Now we cook it for another 1 minute, okay? Here you go, look at this, smoky. Okay, we put it on the head. In the meantime, we're gonna cook the noodles. So this is the hot water. And this is the noodle. Depends on how much noodle that you like. We can put less or more. You can always order extra noodle. Keep that in mind. So if one more noodle, just talk to one of our staff. Pretty easy. Pretty much the noodle comes from the dry packet. So we have to soak it overnight. And then the noodle becomes softer. We blanch it in the hot water. To blend about 1.5 minutes. That's enough. You see, the sauce is boiling now. We leave here. We quickly drain all the water. Here you go. Put in the bowl. And over here, we got some chicken. The chicken is boiled beforehand. The chicken is very silly. We don't want to serve customer undercooked chicken, raw. So that's why we have to be really careful about chicken. So we have to always boil it with a little bit lemon, salt, pepper, and garlic. So you can taste a little bit of lemony flavor in there. Time for the broth to go in. Here you go. Look at this. Not yet, not finished yet. Okay. Then we turn off the heat. Over here we have some mushroom, garlic mushroom. Here you go, this is the original one. Some customers like it with a little bit bacon and a poached egg. We just would like to show you the original one. So we don't put any bacon or poached egg there. We only put mushroom. See this? We're reeling the mushroom now. This is the garlic mushroom. Garlic seasoning, salt and pepper. We saute it. Now we're just reheating it up. So make sure it's hot. And then put in the noodles, like this. Pretty much the mushroom gives you a sweetness, texture, and juicy. When you bite together with the broth, with the noodles, they give you a released flavor. After that, you know what it is? Red onion, shaded. So a little bit on the top, not too much, because onion has very strong flavor. A little bit of spring onion for color, yeah? And a little bit of hot chili. We don't put hot chili everywhere. In case customer don't like chili, they can always scoop it all. Done. And then what you do? You cook food up, and the wait staff will come and pick up and then send it to customer. But this is my breakfast. Oh good, we hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, I'm the owner of the Surfing Lizard. Stay tuned and bye for now.